Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors. Today I will share with you how to make simple and delicious Christmas fruit cake without any alcohol at your own kitchen. Bake this festive fruit cake without oven in advance of Christmas. So let's check out the recipe. First, grease a 7-inch cake tin with oil or butter. In a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs. You can add 60 ml condensed milk or 30 ml thick plain curd and 30 ml milk instead of eggs. Now add 120 grams powdered sugar. Beat with an electric beater until smooth. You can use mixer grinder as well. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 30 ml oil. And cream together until fluffy texture. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix. After that, take a strainer and add 240 grams all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and sieve together very well. Now mix together until smooth. You can see the mixture consistency. We need exactly same consistency mixture. Now add handful of chopped cashews, almonds and raisins. You can add chopped dates, cherries or more dry fruits as per your choice. Now add colorful Tutti Frutty and mix together very well. Now pour the mixture into the cake tin. Arrange some remaining chopped cashews, almonds, raisins and Tutti Frutti on the top of the cake mixture and press gently. Preheat a pressure cooker for 5 minutes on medium flame. After that, place a stand into the preheated pressure cooker. Then place the prepared cake tin on it. Cover with lid without whistle and bake for 45 to 60 minutes on medium flame. After that, check the doneness of your cake. Insert a toothpick or any kebab sticks. If it comes out clean, it's done. The cake must be completely cool before demolding. Cut into pieces. You can see the perfection of the cake. Enjoy the cake with your family members. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.